Cardiovascular exercise is probably one of the most important exercises to stay healthy, and one of the best ways to do it is on a treadmill. Of course, there's a large selection that you can choose from, and if you lack space, treadmills under the table are the most practical for you. Under-the-table treadmills are designed for walking and have a space-saving design that allows you to store them flat, so they're much easier to hide after use than a full treadmill. We have specifically selected for you the top 5 best under-desk treadmills for 2025. Let's dive right in, guys. We'll get this thing going with the Sperax WalkingPad, your best bet if you're looking to save money while still getting a quality treadmill. While foldable designs are common, Sperax adds a clever twist by letting you use it as a walking platform when the handle is down. It's designed to accommodate users up to 280 pounds, supported by soundproof yarn that minimizes impact noise, a feature not always found in budget models. For those who like to mix up walking with a bit of jogging, the Sperax treadmill can reach speeds up to 7.6 miles per hour, making it versatile for both low and moderate intensity workouts. Its 2-in-1 folding design means you can easily slide it under your desk while working or unfold the arms when you're ready to pick up the pace. Plus, the armrest includes a handy phone holder, perfect for keeping entertained with videos or music as you exercise. What sets this treadmill apart is its 2.5 horsepower motor, offering robust power and speed without the loud, disruptive noise typical of budget treadmills. While the motor stays quiet, be aware that the machine might beep occasionally, a minor trade-off for its performance. The treadmill also includes a comprehensive display at the base to track your workout stats like speed and distance. Controlling the treadmill is a breeze too, thanks to a remote control and additional controls on the armrest. With its compact size and straightforward operation, the Sperax WalkingPad makes staying active at home simple and convenient. Whether you're working or running, it's a smart choice for anyone seeking affordability without sacrificing quality. For the listed price, this is nothing short of great. If you're seeking a treadmill that offers exceptional value for your investment, the Goplus 2-in-1 WalkingPad could be your top choice, earning its spot as the best value under-desk treadmill for 2025. This versatile machine is perfect for both office and home environments, featuring a handy 2-in-1 design. Its speed can be adjusted from a leisurely 1 km an hour up to a brisk 12 km an hour, giving you plenty of options whether you want to stroll or sprint. You can control the speed effortlessly via remote or a mobile app thanks to its Bluetooth connectivity. A key highlight is its robust weight capacity of up to 120 kilograms, accommodating a wide range of users. When used with the handle folded, it transforms into a walking belt, making it suitable for use even under your desk at home. When you're ready to pick up the pace, simply unfold the handle to switch to running mode, which allows speeds up to 7.5 miles per hour. This quick transition is made easy with a simple release lever on the handle. Despite its compact size, the Goplus 2-in-1 WalkingPad doesn't skimp on features. It has integrated transport wheels, making it easy to tuck away under a sofa or bed when not in use. The treadmill's LED display keeps you informed of your time, distance, speed, and calories burned. While controls are absent on the handle, a small remote allows easy operation. Plus, with its built-in Bluetooth speaker and phone holder, you could enjoy your favorite tunes as you exercise. For those who value convenience, versatility, and easy storage, the Goplus 2-in-1 WalkingPad offers a great balance of features for light walking and jogging. Very practical, very cool, and amazing stuff considering the price tag. If you're willing to invest a bit more for top-notch quality, the WalkingPad R2 folding treadmill stands out as the best premium under-desk treadmill available in 2025. Designed to accommodate both walking and running modes, it caters to your exercise needs whether you're at home or in the office. The R2 model is a space saver, occupying 90% less room than conventional treadmills thanks to its innovative double folding design and smooth rolling wheels for easy storage. Controlling the WalkingPad R2 is flexible and convenient. You have 3 options: manual mode, using a remote control or the KS Fit app, and automatic mode that lets you adjust settings with your feet. Crafted with a durable aluminum alloy frame, this treadmill offers enhanced stability. Its engine is more powerful yet quieter than previous models, delivering a smooth, almost silent workout experience. Safety and comfort are at the forefront with this treadmill. The EVA cushioning pad reduces knee impact, while the non-slip surface ensures reliable grip. It includes a safety clip and a front handle for added balance and an emergency stop function, enhancing your safety during workouts. The LED display is conveniently located to keep you updated on your speed, distance, and workout time. Moreover, when folded, the R2 is incredibly compact, measuring just 39.4 by 28.3 by 6.3 inches, making it easy to store next to your desk without taking up much space. Even when unfolded, it remains sleek at 57.1 by 28.3 by 40.6 inches. Whether you're tracking your steps or calories burned, the console provides all necessary metrics, ensuring you get the most out of every workout session. The WalkingPad R2 is an exceptional choice for those seeking a premium, space-efficient treadmill that doesn't compromise on features. If you can treat yourself to this beast, we say go for it all the way. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Introducing the Egofit Walker Pro, which claims the title of the runner-up Best Under-Desk Treadmill for 2025. This compact treadmill stands out with its gentle 5% incline, simulating an uphill walk that can really get your heart rate going depending on your pace and fitness level. It's equipped with a straightforward remote control featuring just 4 buttons to start, stop, speed up, or slow down your session. Want a more structured workout? The Egofit Walker Pro connects via Bluetooth to an app that offers various workout programs. Each program displays a graph of speed variations, helping you plan your session effectively. You can track your steps and other metrics with ease. Some programs even come with motivational music to keep you energized, though it might not be everyone's cup of tea. Unlike many treadmills that fold, the Egofit Walker Pro is designed to be compact and can be stored as is. Its front wheels make it easy to move around. While it doesn't fold, its sleek design still allows it to fit conveniently in small spaces. With a 2-horsepower motor, this treadmill reaches up to 3.1 miles per hour, which is perfect for a brisk walk. During your workout, the digital display updates you on steps taken, distance, speed, calories burned, and time, rotating these metrics on the screen rather than showing them all at once. Unique to this treadmill is its ergonomic strap made of ABS, which minimizes impact and enhances comfort. Users report being able to walk comfortably for extended periods even without shoes, thanks to its thoughtful design. The Egofit Walker Pro provides a consistent, comfortable walking experience that fits seamlessly into any workspace. Good stuff, that's for sure. And finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall under-desk treadmill on the market in 2025. It's the Urevo 3-in-1 Walking Pad. The Urevo 3-in-1 treadmill with desk is a practical, efficient space-saving fitness equipment that will help you stay active without taking up your entire living space. This 3-in-1 treadmill combines the benefits of treadmills and walking machines. And best of all, it's designed to be more stable and comfortable than traditional treadmills thanks to the latest materials and construction. A brilliant feature of the Urevo treadmill is its effortless 2-second folding mechanism. Unlike other treadmills that require you to loosen screws and pull levers, this treadmill can be folded up and stored in a small storage room or under your bed or sofa in less than 2 seconds. It's ideal for anyone with limited living space. You'll find a display on the handlebars and a remote control, which allows you to easily monitor your running status. You can switch between running and walking modes and easily check your stats. And thanks to 8 silicone shock absorbers, you'll experience less impact on your knee and wrist joints. The 42.5 by 16.5 inch running surface is wider than most, giving you plenty of room to move around. In terms of power, the Urevo treadmill is equipped with a powerful 3-horsepower motor and can support up to 286 pounds and spin up to 8.6 miles per hour. This amount of power is ideal for those who want to challenge themselves and experience the ultimate outdoor experience at home. It has a large removable table that can hold a laptop, books, or anything else you need to work on while you exercise. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.